Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer funds from spot account to funding account on Bybit. For that, first of all, launch your Bybit mobile app, then tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you will see this transfer button, so you need to simply tap on it and then you will be landed on this transfer page. Now, since we want to transfer our funds from our spot account to the funding account, you can see here we have funding account in the top, so you need to simply tap on it, and here you will see only your unified account and your funding account. So here in the top you need to select your spot account, and after that in the bottom you need to select your funding account. Then in the coin, by default BTC will be selected, so you need to simply tap on it and you can select any of the coins that you want to basically transfer from your spot account to your funding account. And let's say you want to transfer USDT, so you need to simply select USDT. Here in the amount section you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to basically transfer. Afterwards, you need to press the confirm button in the bottom, and within a second you are going to transfer your funds from your spot account to your funding account on Bybit. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more this type of crypto related content. I'll see you in the next one.